Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna do the problem 2 of day 7 binary search, first batch version. It falls in the easy category of Leetcode and acceptance rate is 42.1%. Now let's move on to the problem. So the problem statement states that you are a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your product fails the quality check. Since each version is updated based on the previous version, all the versions after a bad version are also bad. Suppose you have n versions and you want to find out the first bad version which causes all the following ones to be bad. You are given an API bool is bad version whose input is version which returns whether version is bad. Implement a function to find the first bad version. So you should minimize the number of calls to the API. So I'm gonna reset the code. So the versions vary from uh, 1 to n. So we are gonna use binary search to do this problem. So for the we are gonna take three variables: low, which is equal to 1, high, which is equal to n, and mid will be initialized later. So while low is less than high, we are gonna then find the mid. Mid will be equal to low plus high, low plus half of high minus low if uh, if is bad, if the version is bad, the mid version, the which for which we are checking, then we are just gonna let me see if there is some problem. No. Huh. So if the version is bad, then we are gonna just reduce the search space to uh, low is equal high is equal to mid. Or if the version isn't bad, then we are gonna just reduce the search space to low is equal to mid plus 1, and then we are gonna return mid in this, and let's see if it works. So if it's 1, then we haven't initialized it, so let's initialize it behind before the loop also. The loop doesn't run, so there is a problem in mid, we can't return mid. So let's try returning low rather than mid. And it's working absolutely fine. We don't need to return mid, we need to return low, because that would be the last index, that would be the first bad version. So I'm telling you my approach. By drying run on 5, n equals to 5, so there are 5 versions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the bad one is 4. So low will be 1 and high will be 5, and low plus high is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we are gonna check for 3. Is 3 bad version? No. So we are gonna just update low to middle plus 1. That would be low is equal to 4 and uh, high equals to high would be equal to 5, and low plus high is 9. So low plus high plus divided by 2 would be 4.5. That would integer value, rounding it to nearest integer, it's 4. So is 4 bad version? Yes. So high would be equal to mid, and mid is equal to 4. So we will be here, and here the low would be equal to high. So we are just gonna be out of the loop and return 4. So that is how this algorithm works. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel.